More cyclists will apply for a single 100-mile dirt race this year than the entire starting grid of the Tour de France. Gravel racing has completely changed cycling. Unbound's 100-mile event now draws nearly 2,000 riders, and SBT GRVL2 750 spots vanish instantly. But the real appeal isn't the elites. While the lifetime Grand Prix prize pool hit $590,000, the recreational draw is simple. You get the structured challenge of a road race, but with off-road adventure and zero vehicle traffic. It's a significantly safer, lower-stress environment. You don't need a $10,000 superbike. A standard gravel bike clearing 40mm tires is the sweet spot. Even a hardtail mountain bike works perfectly for your first race. Here is how different setups handle typical 2026 gravel courses. The key isn't aerodynamics, it's tire volume and comfort. If coming from road cycling, your biggest adjustment is learning to let the bike wander on loose surfaces. Gravel requires self-sufficiency. You must carry your own tools, tubes, and food. With aid stations often 30 miles apart, pacing yourself and managing hydration are your two most critical skills. If you want to race major events in 2026, you must plan early. Unbound and others operate on strict lottery systems opening in late fall. Expect entry fees between $100 and $250. But if you miss out, don't panic. Skip the lottery anxiety by targeting regional events. The culture here is what makes gravel special. It's not about aggressive crit racing. It's a shared mission to survive the course. For your first race, look for events in the 40 to 60-mile range. Races like Barry Raubakes in Michigan or smaller local grinders are excellent starting points. They offer the true experience without the daunting logistics of ultra-endurance distances. The finish line isn't about analyzing power data. It's about beer gardens and shared stories. It's a welcoming community for riders wanting a fulfilling, hard day out in nature. If you currently ride 3 days a week, you are already fit enough to start. Pick a late summer 50-miler, mount those 40mm tires, and practice your flat repairs. The gravel community is ready to welcome you. Pick a date, mount wider tires, and start riding.